Hi everyone. Are you looking at investing in a strong fundamental stock for a long term? What better sector to choose other than the pharma industry during this time? This is the 8th wonder of the world channel. I am talking about a company which is fundamentally a strong pharma company which saw an increase of 20.70% increase in the consolidated net profit in the quarter results. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more updates and press the bell icon for more notifications from the channel. The company was incorporated as private limited company in 1991 and was converted into a public limited company in 1993. The Hyderabad headquartered company has the expertise in manufacturing APIs since 1984 and FPIs and exports its product to the US, Europe, Mexico and Hong Kong. The company has a long history as a producer of active pharmaceutical ingredients, that is APIs, and the pharmaceutical formulation intermediates, that is FPIs, with a complete vertical integration. They support customers with unique value, extensive product range, and a global network of associates. The PFI plant is one of the biggest in the world with an annual capacity of 7,200 million ton and a batch size of 6 million tons. The plant is approved by US FDA, German Health Authority, Canadian TPD and Australian TGA. The company I am talking about is Granules India. What is the FPI formula? That is pharmaceutical formulation intermediate. To explain, this is bridging the gap between the formulation and tablet manufacturing. In simple words, PFI service providers focus on the stage just before the finished product production and the blending of the activities and creating a form that is ready for final tabulating process. Breaking it down, it is outsourcing which brings down the cost, but the company has the ability to produce FPI blend for an end user. This has helped customers to move to the next level of outsourcing in the pharmaceutical industry. The primary cost benefit driver for FPI outsourcing is the ability it gives the company to manufacture efficiently on a large scale. Outsourcing FPIs can therefore lower supply chain costs in several ways. So the company claiming to own the largest PFI facility in the world, it works on a select but high volume products such as paracetamol, ibuprofen, metformin, etc. So the business area. The business is bucketed into three areas. There is a core business which compromises the core molecules, that is a paracetamol, ibuprofen, metformin, methocarbamol. The emerging business that focuses on manufacturing the APIs with a focus on vertical integration, and the CRASM segment which focuses on contract research and manufacturing. Company details. The industry type as mentioned is pharma. It has a market capitalization of 6,144 crores which makes it a mid cap. It has a PE of 19.16 and industry PE of 33.76 which is a very good strong indicator. The dividend is 0.42%. Debt equity is 0.28. Return on equity is 17.25%. Price to book is 3.31. Net sales is 735 crores and net profit in this quarter results were 111 crores. So 1 year return for Granules India has been 179%. It outperformed the Sensex by 184% and outperformed the sector by 147%. Though the sector returns for this period for pharma industry has really been high. The latest dividend the company paid was 0.25 per share on Jan 30th, 2020. Granules India has a beta of 1.20 with Sensex. So the stock return versus Sensex over a period of 10 years. So you can see the company has outperformed the Sensex in all the period. And I'm just going to highlight like 3 months return has been 58%. The 6 months return has been 85%. 2 year return has been 189%. 3 year return has been 89%. And 4 year return has been 80%. I'd like to say that 3 years back the company was consolidating between the price range of 120 to 140 for a long time and it has broken out during this period. And the 5 year return has been 169% and 10 year return has been 2,573% return. Now talking about the shareholding snapshot for June 2020. The majority shareholders are the promoters. The Promoters have pledged 8.64%, which is a small amount, but still we need to keep this in mind. It is held in 3 mutual fund schemes. The 158 FIs have holding in this company, which constitutes to 22.95%. The promoter with the highest holding is Krishna Prasad, having 34%. The highest public shareholder is Life Insurance Corporation of India, having 3%. The individual investors hold around 23%. So now talking about the quarterly results, which were good. So you can see that the quarterly results for the quarter ended June 2020 is better than the March 2020, where the sales has increased to 735, and in the March it was 599. When you look at the profit figures also, there has been a positive increase in the profit before tax and even profit after tax, and in the net profit has seen 20.70% increase, which is actually a very good sign during this period. Now talking about the points in favor for the company. The company is very strong fundamentally. Though it has run up in the price in the recent time, because of the good results, it has more potential to reach higher. The management commentary was positive, and I will just read out a small point. So Granules is spending significantly in backward integration of the products, because that's the game today in terms of protecting the assets you have, and that's the only way we know that the sustainable growth going forward. The production today is running at 130% to 140% of a year ago level, and a large part of the current capacity is likely to get utilized fully by this year itself, which is much ahead of the originally anticipated timeline. This is very positive commentary from the management. So, as you know, there's a bright future for the pharma industry during this season. The company can see higher margins among the pharma companies because of the advantage the company has, which I had explained earlier. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. This content is intended to be used and must be used for educational purposes only. Please do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances and consult your financial advisor.